What's the matter? Juju, what did he do? He hurt you? Okay, alright. I would let her say good morning, but she has a cold and her face is a mess. You're a mess. She wants to say hello. Don't judge my baby. Say hi. Say hi. Can we say hello, please? Say hello. Say good morning. Alright, go finish doing your chores. So, it's Monday. Good morning. Good morning. I'm making my first cup of coffee because your girl needs it. What can I set y'all down? Alright, so good morning. Stop shaking the table. Let's stop shaking the table. Good morning. Today was weigh-in day, so if you're not following me over there on Instagram, please go follow me on Instagram to find out what my weigh-in today was. Today is week 2, month 1. I'm going all the way until February of next year because that's the deadline I was given by my hubby. And so yeah, today was weigh-in. I'm still doing intermittent fasting where I fast for, I believe, 17 hours every single day. And I have a small eating window, which is, I think it's 8 hours. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. It's 7. I have a 7-hour eating window, I believe, where I eat my food in that window. That's been working great for me. And yeah, I don't eat bread, rice. I do eat sweet potato, but that's about it. But I have to clean my house today. I'm doing laundry right now. Hold on.
Mommy, you know May finished Barbie?
She finished Barbie?
Yeah, she finished like 4 times.
Oh.
The whole season.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you guys how I'm doing. Tell your sister to stop because I'm coming. I'm gonna show you guys how I make my coffee. And yes. Why are you struggling this morning? Yes. You want what? Okay. Okay. Alright, go finish cleaning your room. Okay, why are you whining? You want what? Okay, get it. Go ahead and get it. Okay, so this is how I make my coffee. I put instant, I do my Premier protein. I put a little bit of this because this is only 5 grams of carbs for 1 tablespoon. And what's that? And sugar. And it comes out so good. So good. So I put 1 scoop. I feel like today is a 2 scoop kind of day. I took the kids, I took the tablets from the kids. And yeah, they go back to school next week. So they've just been kind of cranky all day because they missed their tablet. But I don't know what to tell them. This is the banana cream. I know it's not the best flavor to put in coffee, but I don't know. I wanted to try I wanted to try the banana cream flavor, so that's why I'm doing it. And instead of putting a ton of creamer in my coffee, I use this instead. So I have a ton of stuff to do today. I have to clean my kitchen. That's usually the twins' chores, but from time to time, I clean the kitchen myself. You know, just to deep clean it and make sure it's really clean. I have a couple projects around the house that I want to do, and I have to pay bills and stuff. So that's what I have planned for today. So good. I'm gonna go enjoy this. Make sure you're relaxing today. I must catch up with y'all. What's the matter?
I don't know. I was trying to build this.
What does your shirt say?
Mary, what does your...
Tough guy. Wear pink. So handsome. Okay, scoot over. Scoot over to the next one. She was sitting there. No, she was sitting there. Move all that stuff. All right. Now you guys can sit. That's yours. That's Maddie's Cheerios over there. She was actually sitting over there. That's Rob's dinner. Oh. Ew. Ew.
Go over there. I want to eat.
It's been a long day. I didn't show you guys much, but Rob is home and he's making his dinner because he's doing it with me too. So, which makes it so much easier for me to stick to the program or stick to what it is that I'm doing when he's doing it, because you know my husband is a foodie. He loves his food. He loves food, and when he stick to what I'm doing, it makes it so much better, because it's just like what he's eating, I'm eating, what I'm eating, he's eating, and then I cook the kids' meals separately because you know they're growing kids and they can't eat the way we eat because they're still growing, so their body needs nutrients and all that stuff. So you gotta feed the kiddos, right? So that's what I'm doing. I'm making them pasta tonight for dinner with leftover chicken that Rob grilled for them. So he grills all the protein together for the week. Hi. How are you?
Good.
You guys haven't seen this little missy in a while.
Good. I'm good.
So he grills all the protein together, including theirs. So I'm heating up their chicken right now. Woo. Okay. I think I put way too much minutes. Ow! Oh!
Way too many minutes?
Way too what?
You said way too much.
I'm Jamaican. I don't speak your language. So I'm doing pasta right now.
Way too much minutes. What?
Way too many minutes.
Is it bad?
Way too much or way too many?
Too much minutes. What
Way too many.
Way too many. Is that it?
Way too many.
Way too many minutes.
So,
You're gonna edit me out, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna edit
big
the
belly?
naked man out.
Because you keep going in circles for no reason.
So I'm making their pasta. Just heated up the chicken from yesterday. So that's what's for dinner. And I'm still doing laundry. Story of my life. I cleaned out my mud area over here because I want Rob. I cleaned out this little section right here because I have big plans for it. I want Rob to build a little thing that hides the trash can and a little seating area right here. And I'm gonna put board and batten all around here. You want to pee? You want to pee? All right, go pee pee.
Don't trash these anymore. I'm planting them all over the yard.
You're planning them? Okay, that's fine. That's fine. So, I have a ton of projects in my head. They're always in my head, but Rob has to teach me how to use the air compressor. Is it the air compressor, honey?
Mine is somewhere back there next to that one. Next to the one you put.
But I'm gonna go finish the kids' dinner and come back with you guys. How's your dinner?
Good.
Yeah. How's your dinner, Mama? Yeah. How's your dinner? It's yummy. You have cheese. the jalapeno. I don't know why he keeps doing that to himself. Enjoy, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so here go my dinner, and this is my second meal of the day. It's 4:22, and this will conclude my eating window, even though it goes until another 3 hours. I'm gonna show you guys if I do snack in between, and I'll show you guys what I snacked on. So this is dinner. That was so good. So good. I'm so full. It's not even funny. So full. It's amazing how your body adapts to your new way of eating. And I've only been doing it for a week now, and I'm not craving like old foods that I used to eat, like bread and rice and all that. That stuff just, it doesn't faze me anymore. I'm just used to the way that I eat. And I'm being bloated when I eat regular, not, I wouldn't say regular food, but when I eat, carby things like. But right now I'm thinking whether or not I want to finish up my carbs or just leave them there, because I have Halo ice cream that I could eat, and I'm like, I don't like the flavor, and I'm like, it's not even worth to eat. So I'm just gonna leave it as is and call this video it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys. Oh, before I let you guys go, I'm gonna insert a picture of the stove that I want and I'm saving up for. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys that, and then I'll let you guys go. Bye guys.